Hi, this is Jessc from Harley Haven, and on today's Harley Haven How To, I'm going to show you how to roll your chaps so that they fit into a nice little bundle like this, and you can fit them in your saddlebag so it's easier to store them and you have more room for other things on your trip. So whenever you take your chaps off, you'll be unbuckling them and unzipping them, so they'll already be completely open. From there, you'll want to lay them out flat, one on top of the other like this. And then from there, you're going to want to take all this excess at the top and fold it down so that you have this nice squared line here. From here, you're going to want to fold them into a third. So we'll just fold it over once, and it should be right above your snap on your chaps. I like to pull this in so that it's just a nice squared off area. And then from here, you're going to want to take your finger underneath, just kind of lift up so that way the snaps come underneath. And you have this nice little trifold, and the snaps will go on the ground. And then from here, you do another trifold. So you just put this side over here, and then from here, you'll take this extra over here and stick it inside. And then these snaps should line up, and you should be able to just 1, 2, 3. And now, your chaps are saddlebag friendly, and you are ready to ride. And that is your Harley Haven How To.